call also. If somebody is talking to you, the word output per minute is 60. If the word output is more than 60, Vada Prakriti. In the Kalyana Mandapam you can see. Vada Prakriti will put the chappal like this and go. Kapha Prakriti will keep the chappals uniformly. Pitta Prakriti will keep one chappal here and one chappal there. I asked him why. He told, if somebody gets one chappal, you should suffer. Next. Ruksham and Shidam. Ruksha Shidam, Snigdha Shidam, Apadarpana Shidam, Sandarpana Shidam, Shayas Shidam, Avarana Shidam. Rasna is Vadagaram, Bala is Vadagaram. Rasna is Kafanubandha Vadam, Rasna, Pittanubandha Vadam, Bala, Avaranam, Rasna, Dadukshayam, Bala, Tikta Kadurasam, Rasna, Madurarasam, Bala, Poshanam, Bala, Karshanam, Rasna. So both are Vadagara in nature. Stula Dehi, Rasna, Krisha Dehi, Bala, Dosha Pratiniya. See the beauty? Kashaya Tikta Maduram, Pitta Manyed Guruvade, Kevala Pittam, Tiktam, Kafanubandha Pittam, Kashayam, Vadanubandha Pittam, Maduram, Kevala Pittam, Tiktam, Jaram, Guduchyadi, Kafanubandha Pittam, Kashaya Rasam, Eczema, Aragwadadi, Vadanubandha Pittam, Vertigo, Drakshadi. Playing chess, not sex, chess. One Ayurvedic doctor went and filled the form. Name, age, sex, occupation. Sex he told. According to Vakpada in Hemanta Rudu, according to Susruda in Svarsha Rudu, like that. See, there is a beauty. I have discovered so many things from the text and interpreted it into modern medicine. The most beautiful thing what I discovered recently is, one day night I was drawing all the Vegas, starting from Apana to Ashru. Then I was taking Gray's Anatomy and comparing the parasympathetic ganglion. Every Vega matches with the parasympathetic ganglion and Vegana Dharaya. Anything that disturbs the autonomic system is incorrectable. Among the 14 Vegas, 3 are Ubastambas, Ahara, Nidra, Abramacharya. This Aharam, Nidra, Abramacharya, for a dog, the sexual urge, the limbic system activation comes in Karkataka Masam and in December. Next month they will be very busy. But man, it is not like that. 24/7 NDTV talk on. Anytime. Ahara, Nidra, Brahmacharya. Muhur Ahara. Nidra, you can sleep in the class, especially afternoon after a meal. Previously, in Gurukula Sampradaya, this Guru used to sleep in the lap of the student. Todaila paduthu thoonguvar. Enna ipo pandradilla. Engitta oru 16 students irukanga. I run a Gurukulam. We give stipend, food, accommodation and stay. We give 12,000 rupees stipend. For them to study, they don't study. That's another issue. இப்படி இந்த குரு தொடையில மாணவனுடைய தொடையில குரு படுக்கும்போது 2 scorpions escaped from Agadasandara department. After drinking Neeli Tulasiyadi, Vilvadi and all, they came. வந்து தொடையில ஒரு கொட்டு கொட்டிடுச்சு. Bit at the thigh. பயங்கர பெயின். பட் சிஷ்யன் எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஸ்டிஃபா. கண்ணில் அந்த தண்ணி வரல, ஒண்ணுமே வரல. Another scorpion asked, you told every whole world is afraid of you. You are simply, you did beat that fellow and he is simply sitting. What happened? Have you lost your strength? What happened? You are a son of Vishwamitra. You are taking Shamanaprasa every day. What happened? No. Then he took some Basriya Paranayama, went again, did Pradakshana and did. At that time also this fellow is simply sitting. No change, simply sitting. Then Namaskaram Mannidu. Scorpion. Sashtangama Namaskaram Manni. BAMS student, final year student. My dear BAMS student, Vaidyaraja Namastubhyam, Yamaraja Sakodara, Yamastakarade Pranan, Vaidya Pranan Dhananija. Inna Patale Onuk Povanepa. Urinate on seeing me. But you bared my bite and how it is possible. He kadiche. There was severe pain, unbearable pain. Vrishigam was sulayed into 4. I experienced. I would have shouted. Definitely I would have shouted. I controlled. If I shout, my guru will wake up. If he wakes up, he will start Padartha Vijnanam. Vadajam, spondylosis, osteoporosis, facet arthropathy, Dhanvandaram, Gandhadailam, Sukumaram, Dhanvandaragudiya. Pittajam, ankylosing spondylitis, Amrudotaram, Shabdaranam, Kaishora Gugulu, Pintadailam, Balaguduchiyadi. You can go, ma. Thank you. Next. Kafajam, disc prolapse, Varunadi, Shaddaranam, Abhayarishtam, Kotanjukadi, Prabanjanam, Sulpalasuna Bindam. You talk about Urustambam always. Urustambam, it's a disease of the Uru and the thigh. There is documentation of headache and fever. You call it paraplegia. In any paraplegia, 2 symptoms should be documented. One is erectile dysfunction and another one is bladder incontinence. There is no reference about erectile dysfunction or bladder incontinence in Urustamba. They recover spontaneously. They are supposed to do swimming. Swimming is advised. That means grade 3 power has been crossed either by therapy or by spontaneous recovery. The man with power 0, 1, 2, 3 cannot swim. Passive swimming is possible in 3, 4 and 5. So, Urustambam is a patchy arachnoiditis and demyelination of central origin, sparing the parasympathetic pathway of S1 and S2 segment. You understand? If you know Adams, you know this. Think about it. Any paraplegia, erectile dysfunction, bladder features are normal, which is not documented. Headache is documented, that means it is post-infective demyelination. Intracranial tension is talked as headache. Fever is documented, that is post-infective demyelinating pathology. Post-infective demyelinating patchy arachnoiditis, which is spontaneous recovery, sparing parasympathetic pathway. This is our classical Urustamba. But Urustambam is a spectrum in which Varunadi, Sakajaradi, Navagagugulu, Trifalagugulu, Gomutra Haridaki, Abhayarishtam, Tippali Churnam, Vaidaranavasti, Sharavasti, all these things are used. Regular Panchakarma is contraindicated. Taila Snegabanam, Punyagadailam Snegabanam, Sadahwadi Taila Snegabanam. All Kapagara, Ushna, Pramadi, Vada Kapagara, Lekana, Srodho, Shodhana in nature are adopted. Beautiful. Study Ayurveda thoroughly. Read modern medicine. And again study Ayurveda. Get ecstasy, joy. I am going to tell you how Ayurveda and modern medicine merge at one level. Cervical spondylosis. Here, Apasthana Vadavriddhi. Lumbar spondylosis, Vadasthana Vadavriddhi. So in lumbar spondylosis, you can put oil earlier. In cervical spondylosis, you have to put labum and then only you should apply oil, because Thanika dosham more is kapha, so ruksham is needed. Here ruksham is not essentially needed. That is the difference between the treatment of lumbar and cervical. Are you able to understand? Beautiful. Science is beautiful. Clinical medicine is beautiful. What is clinical medicine? Clinical medicine is fundamental principles plus yukti. Yukti is common sense, which has become very uncommon nowadays. One Ayurveda doctor was making medicine. He had a kutari. He was digging. The kutari fell down into the water. So Dharmadevada came and showed one golden kutari. Is it yours? No. What a truthful person, BAMS doctor. Then it went inside and brought silver. Is it yours? No. Went in and came out. Copper. Is it yours? No. Went in and came out with wooden. Is it yours? Yes, it is. You take everything because you are Dharmavan. We presented gold, silver, copper. Everything. This fellow's wife got MD Shalakya in Banaras University. He was going by boat. Vasandakala Nadigalile, like Rajinikanth he was riding. His wife fell down into the Ganges. Dharmadevada came and produced the Nayandara. Is it yours? He told yes. He was BAMS doctor, you were very truthful. Suddenly what happened? No. First I will tell no. Then you will go in and bring Trisha. I will tell no. Then you will go in and bring some other lady, Nagma. I will say no. Then you will go in and bring my old wife. You will ask me to take the 4. Already with 1 I am suffering. How will I manage the 4? Like that our BAMS doctor told. These are all there in my joke books, In the night, mid 2:30, all these jokes come. So I write it down. I compose. Guy, to write jokes. In Agadadantara department, one place in Nagaland, the snake escaped. They kept the snake for studying. The snake escaped. Everybody afraid. The snake அப்படியே HOD கழுத்தை சுத்திடுது. HOD. The snake bit the HOD. Everybody is trying. One fellow is giving Vilwadi, one fellow is giving Tulasiyadi. Everybody is afraid HOD is going to die. After half an hour, the snake died. HOD is more poisonous than the snake. Kalyana Gradam, Bukulu Gradam. Next. Cervical spondylosis with VBI. Kachuradi, Vidaryadi, Drakshadi, Batardarvadi, Kshirabala, Yelavalagam, Mahadiktakam. Next. All the medicines of Tiktakam are present in Mahadiktakam. 50% of Mahadiktakam is Amalaki. Tiktakam is for Puro Karma, Mahatiktakam is for Paschat Karma and Rasayana. How to study a yoga? Kaishora Gugulu, Bala Kaishora Vesham. It can be given for children. The main ingredient is Kuduchi. Second ingredient is Trivrit. It is Pitta Samana, Sram Samana, Anulomana, Gugulu. It is given in Pitta the Vigaras. Vasadi Kashayam, it is given in eye diseases. That's all. Otherwise, you have to by heart 24 lines. You read my Sakasrayogam English, which is going to come. I have written commentary like this. Beautiful. Not because I have written. I write, forgetting my body consciousness, I wrote the commentary. Going to come in May 23rd, we are launching it. Sakasrayogam English. You can book 2,000 pages. Textbook of medicine also I have written. I have written around 16,000 pages. Textbook of medicine is going to come. You name any disease, Guna Samprapti is there. 16,000, 1,600 pages. Big book. Next. Renal disease. Polyuric renal failure where urination is normal. Anuric renal failure where renal output is less. In renal output is less, you have to do Nityameva Virechayet. Once you give Gokshura, because of Madhura Rasa, Kapha will increase, Mutra will increase, body is unable to send the old Mutra itself, so it will increase urea. So do not give Gokshuradi, give Guduchyadi, Ajajipadadi, Gunimba Mahaushadam, Dasamula Haridagi, Narayana Churnam, nityameva viretave. In polyuria, you can give conventional therapy with Gudardraga Rasaya. Next. Uterus. Vadaja uterus disease, dysmenorrhea, Kanashadakvadi, Trigadu, Danvantara Thailand. Next. Pittajam, dysfunctional uterine bleeding, Negrodadi, Mahadiktakam, Pushyanakam. Next. Fibroids, Trayantyadi, Shivaguliga. Many people give Varnadi, Chitraka Grandhyadi, which is wrong. Shidena Yuktaha, Nigdatyaha, Kurvandi Sleshmena Sanchayam, Ushnena Kobam. If you give Ushna medicine, bleeding will increase in Kapha. That you should not forget. That is why I have selected Trayandyadi and Shivaguliga. Kapachedanam, Soshanam, Param. Next. Vallataka Madhya, Asthenospermia. Kashaya Rasam, Vajikaranam, Jadi Balam, premature ejaculation. In Asthenospermia, Salak Gunam Shayam is there, which is producing Avarana by Manda Guna. So you cannot give Madhura Rasa there. You have to give Kadu Rasa. Because of the Kadu Rasa, Manda Guna will go away and Sala Vriddhi will take place and Yonausa Shukra Pradibhadanau will take place.